Today I'm talking about the 2023 Nissan Armada. It gets price changes and more standard equipment, especially in the mid-spec SL trim level. It gets built-in Amazon Alexa and more options in the SL trim. Of course, it's still powered by 5.6-liter V8 producing 400 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. Towing capacity 8,500. It's available with rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive and a 7-speed automatic gearbox. Trim levels include S, SV and the upgraded SL trim and the Platinum trim. And of course, you can have it with 7 seats, with captain's chairs or 8 seats as well. Standard features include built-in Amazon Alexa, 13-speaker Bose sound system, power tailgate, second row captain's chair, rear seat entertainment with dual 8-inch screens, leather interior, remote start, and a 12.3-inch touchscreen and other standard features. The interior is cozy and comfortable and luxurious, and the exterior is rugged and premium but overall a bit dated. Now, compared to its competition, it's not the best full-size SUV. Its competition is better than the Armada, but still, prices start from $50,400 all the way up to $69,720 for the top of the line Platinum. So still well priced. Overall, the Nissan Armada is outdated for me. It needs a new generation. The new SEQUOIA, Suburban, TAHOEs, WAGONERs, it destroys the Armada. But still, it's a good SUV and you can't go wrong if you buy Armada. So thank you very much for joining me on this show.